I'm presenting our phyKNOX security offerings from PHYTEC. It consists of three types of offerings, or three steps of offering. One is the basic, which has all the basic components that are available for free when you purchase a system or module. For example, it includes a basic security update mechanism and also all the features of the operating system that are required for security with our processors that we offer. The second one is the advanced, where we support you to reach a higher level of security and also to understand security concepts, and we support you in creating the right concept for you. And also in this offering we provide a configuration service where we can configure the operating system according to your needs. And the third and the most important is to keep the security that you've reached consistent in the future. So it doesn't make sense to have a system secure at one point of the time, but it needs to be monitored and secured all the time in the future. Because you need to monitor upcoming vulnerabilities, and then you need methods to fix those vulnerabilities. And we have all these components required in our maintained offering. For example, we have a sophisticated update management system. We have a cyclic review for vulnerabilities of your system, so we can scan your operating system continuously for upcoming vulnerabilities. And we also have the onboarding service to inject the required certificates to the hardware in our production. And in addition to that, we also have the possibility to maintain your operating system for your device and cyclically test it, and always have the newest Linux operating system available for you to integrate. So if you're interested, please contact us and have a talk with our experts, and we can help you make your embedded system secure.